Hey everyone, it's Catherine from Currys and we're going to take a look at some really cool features of the Vax Rapid Power Revive Carpet Cleaner. You can use it for above floor as well as floor cleaning. It gets deeper into carpets for spotless results, and you can clean for longer thanks to the large tank capacity. Let's head over to the lab now so we can take a look at these things in a bit more detail. This might be a carpet cleaner, but it works on more than just your floors. It has a really versatile design that includes this stretch hose and wash tool, which makes it really good for above floor cleaning. It works on upholstery, carpeted stairs, and even car interiors. I'm going to have a quick go at giving this armchair a clean. It gets deeper into the carpet so you can be sure of a really thorough clean. It has these spin and scrub brushes that rotate in different directions, which helps it lift and remove dirt from deeper within the carpet pile. And if, like me, you like to get your clean done as quickly as possible, you're going to love this next feature. You can clean more of the house in one go. The extra large tank capacity lets you clean for longer without having to stop and refill, while the other tank keeps the dirty water separate. If you'd like to learn more about the Vax Rapid Power Carpet Cleaner, visit us in store, head online, or talk to one of our tech experts via a Shop Live video call.